Welcome. In this video you will learn how to use the race board. There are several board actions. Zoom in. Zoom out. Reset zoom. Display heats in rows or in columns. Synchronize all heats with the portal. This action only works in public events. You can filter the heats displayed in the race board. Either display all heats of the current active round, or heats of the selected round. The heat median duration is calculated based on the heats displayed, so the heats filter influences this calculation. You can collapse and expand single heats, and you can collapse and expand the whole round. Click on the printer icon to generate a PDF report of this particular round. This report can be used to support spotters. The color of the bullet of the heat card indicates the heat status. Gray is open, yellow is in preparation, green is running, light blue is in review and black is finished. Click on it to open the heat info window. Despite most of the pilot distributions are completely automated, you can always intervene by deleting and adding pilots to heats manually. To delete a pilot, click on the X icon. To add a pilot, drag and drop him or her from the list on the left into the desired heat.